Welcome to a mouth-watering journey through the vibrant flavors of Thailand. In this video, we will explore 15 traditional Thai dishes that are sure to tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving more. From spicy curries to savory stir-fries, each dish offers a unique blend of aromatic herbs, aromatic spices, and fresh ingredients. Get ready to embark on a culinary adventure as we uncover the rich culinary heritage of Thailand and discover the true essence of its cuisine. So sit back, relax, and let your senses be captivated by the delicious world of Thai gastronomy. Get ready to discover the flavors of Thailand. Pad Thai, Thai-style stir-fried noodles, is a popular Thai stir-fried noodle dish that is known for its savory, tangy, and slightly sweet flavors. It typically consists of rice noodles, tofu or shrimp, bean sprouts, peanuts, eggs, and a variety of vegetables, all cooked in a flavorful sauce. This flavorful and aromatic noodle dish is not only beloved in Thailand, but has gained immense popularity worldwide. Tom Yum Goong, Thai hot and sour shrimp soup, made with succulent prawns, aromatic lemongrass, chili, galangal and kaffir lime leaves, creating a delicious explosion of flavors. To make Tom Yum Goong, the broth is then combined with shrimp, goong, mushrooms, tomatoes, and other vegetables. Traditionally, this plate is served piping hot in a large bowl, garnished with fresh coriander leaves and sometimes a sprinkle of crispy fried onions. Khao Soi green curry. This vibrant dish consists of tender chicken or beef cooked in a creamy green curry paste made from fresh green chilies, Thai basil, and coconut milk. Khao Soi has gained popularity worldwide and can now be found in Thai restaurants in many countries. It is loved for its vibrant color, complex flavors, and the ability to be customized to suit individual taste preferences by adjusting the heat level and ingredients. Massaman curry, a rich and aromatic curry incorporating tender chunks of beef or chicken, potatoes, peanuts, and various spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and cardamom. The key ingredient in Massaman curry is the curry paste, which is made by blending a variety of fragrant spices and herbs. Som Tum, papaya salad, a refreshing and spicy salad made with shredded raw papaya, cherry tomatoes, peanuts, lime juice, fish sauce, and chili, resulting in a delightful blend of flavors. It is a popular street food dish in Thailand and is often enjoyed as a refreshing and spicy appetizer. The name Som Tum translates to sour pounded in English, referring to the ingredients used and the method of preparation. Khao Soi mango sticky rice, a popular Thai dessert made with sweet, sticky rice served with fresh mango slices and topped with a luscious coconut sauce. It is often enjoyed during the mango season when mangoes are at their best. This popular Thai dessert is enjoyed not only in Thailand, but also in many other countries around the world. Its unique taste and presentation make it a standout dish, representing the vibrant and diverse Thai culinary culture. Pad Krapo Musop, stir-fried basil pork. It is known for its aromatic and spicy flavors. A quick and flavorful stir-fry that combines minced pork, Thai basil, garlic, chili, and oyster sauce, often served over steamed rice and topped with a fried egg. Gang Kia Wan Gai, green chicken curry. A fragrant Thai curry made with tender chicken pieces, green curry paste, coconut milk, Thai eggplant, and aromatic herbs like holy basil and kaffir lime leaves, and a variety of ingredients that create a harmonious blend of flavors. Enjoy the delicious and aromatic flavors of this Thai green curry with chicken. Tom Kha Gai, boiled galangal chicken. Similar to Tom Yum Goong, known for its rich and aromatic flavors, this creamy and tangy soup features tender chicken, galangal, lemongrass, mushrooms, and coconut milk, offering a creamy twist to the classic soup. Tom Kha Gai is a delightfully comforting and flavorful soup that represents the rich culinary traditions of Thai cuisine. It offers a balance of sweet, sour, and savory flavors that leave a lasting impression on your taste buds. Penang curry, a creamy and mildly spicy Thai curry that originates from the region of Thailand known as Penang. Made with red curry paste, coconut milk, tender meat, usually beef, kaffir lime leaves, and ground peanuts for added texture. It is usually pounded into a paste using a mortar and pestle to release all the flavors. Larb moo, Thai pork salad. A minced pork salad infused with zesty flavors from lime juice, fish sauce, chili, mint leaves, and toasted rice powder, delivering a perfect blend of spicy, sour, and savory notes. Serve the larb moo hot or at room temperature on a platter with lettuce leaves on the side. Is a great dish to serve as an appetizer or as part of a larger Thai meal. Pad Kra Pao Tele, stir-fried Thai basil seafood. It is a vibrant and aromatic stir-fried dishes. Combines an array of fresh seafood like shrimp, squid, and mussels with Thai basil, chili, garlic, and oyster sauce served over rice. Enjoy the flavorful and spicy Pad Kra Pao Tele, a delightful Thai seafood stir-fry dish that will satisfy your cravings for a taste of Thailand. Gang Dang red curry, made with red curry paste, coconut milk, bamboo shoots, tender meat, commonly beef, and Thai basil. This curry offers a balance of spiciness and creaminess. Khao Pad fried rice, a staple Thai dish prepared by stir-frying jasmine rice with eggs, various vegetables, and choice of meats, resulting in a fragrant and flavorsome meal. Khao Pad is typically served hot and can be enjoyed on its own or as a side dish to accompany other Thai dishes. Pad See Thai stir-fried noodles. This popular Thai noodle dish consists of wide rice noodles stir-fried with soy sauce, meat, typically chicken or beef, Chinese broccoli, egg, and a touch of sweetness, creating a delicious medley of flavors. This dish is beloved for its smoky, slightly sweet, and savory notes. The wide rice noodles have a satisfying chewiness, while the vegetables add a refreshing crunch. These traditional Thai dishes offer a diverse range of tastes and textures, showcasing the unique and vibrant flavors that Thai cuisine is known for. Enjoy exploring these delicious delicacies. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey through the delicious world of Thai cuisine. In this video, we've explored 15 traditional Thai dishes that truly represent the rich culinary heritage of Thailand. We hope you've enjoyed learning about these 15 traditional Thai dishes as much as we enjoyed showcasing them. Don't forget to let us know in the comments below which dish is your favorite. Thank you again for watching and exploring the traditional Thai cuisine with us. Sawadee Ka.